And speaking of George, as we continue Severe Weather Awareness Week here in West Michigan, it's time to take a look at hail. Chief Meteorologist George Lessons explains how it forms and the variety of sizes it can fall in.
During severe weather season, sometimes West Michigan thunderstorms produce hail. Hail can come in a variety of sizes, from pea-sized all the way up to golf ball size here in Michigan. But sometimes hail up to the size of a grapefruit is possible. To be classified as a severe thunderstorm, hail must be the size of a quarter. That's about an inch in diameter. But how does hail form? First, a thunderstorm needs to have a strong updraft. Air rapidly moves into the base of a thunderstorm, races upwards, and as the air cools, water vapor condenses into a liquid, then freezes on a small particle of dust or an ice crystal, eventually becoming a tiny ball of ice called hail. When the thunderstorm is strong enough, it can repeatedly raise and lower the hail, coating it with water and refreezing it with each trip up and down. Once the hail becomes too heavy, it falls to the ground. The longer that hail can last in the cloud, the longer the hail can grow, and the greater the threat to your property.